This video is going to show you how to add a news item to your D2L course that contains your course syllabus only. There are many ways and places you can add a syllabus to your course, but this particular method in this video is recommended for faculty who are only uploading their syllabus and maybe a calendar or one other document or link to their course and nothing else. This is for when you're going to have a one-page course, kind of like a landing page. In this case, it's going to be easiest to add your syllabus document or link right into a news item on the course homepage. This is an example of a blank out-of-the-box course. And this right here is the area where I'm going to be adding my news item and syllabus. It's called the news widget. Right now, there are no news items in my course, so I can simply click here where it says create a news item. And this is going to take me to the new item creation page. For a headline, I would suggest adding something like welcome to, and then whatever the name of your course is. And then we'll click down here in the content area, which is where you're going to put some more text and your syllabus link. First, I would recommend a really brief welcome message. Now, you can be as verbose as you want in this message, but at bare minimum, I would recommend typing something like, you have reached the D2L page for this course. Click the link below to download your course syllabus. Then hit enter or return to go to the next line. And now we're actually going to upload your syllabus. To do that, we're going to use this very first button here in the upper left-hand corner of the content screen. And if you leave your mouse hovered over it, you're going to see it's called Insert Stuff, which is what we're going to do. We're going to insert your syllabus. So click on that button. And there's lots of things you can add from this Insert Stuff button, but the most basic thing to do is add a file. And to do that, we're going to select Choose File and click that. Now you're going to find your syllabus on your computer. Hopefully you have this saved somewhere where it's easily accessible. And then I'm going to click on the file that I want to add, my syllabus file. And either I'll double click that or click it and hit open. And now I can see the name of my file appearing right here next to the Choose File button. I'm going to scroll down and click Upload. And then this takes me to kind of a scary looking screen, but the only thing you really need to do here is click in the link text box and you're going to type whatever you want the link to be where your students click to download the syllabus. So for example, I already wrote a sentence about click the link below to download your syllabus. So I'm just going to put course syllabus. You may want to put the name of your course, but something that tells your students this is what they actually click. Then I hit insert. Now I can see here in the content area what it's going to look like. You've reached the D2L page for this course. Click the link below to download your course syllabus. There's the link. I click publish. I can see now I'm on the overall news page, so I can see kind of what this news item is going to look like. If I go back to course home, which is this link up here, I see my very basic news item, and if my students are to click on this link, it's going to download that syllabus right to their computer and they'll have access to it. If you want to go back and you want to edit this news item, or maybe you want to add another link or you want to add another document, you can edit any news item by clicking on this little drop-down menu right here, selecting Edit. And this takes me back to this page. And if, let's say I wanted to add a course calendar, I could click my mouse here and go through the exact same process, just making a link to a different document that says course calendar. If you want to include a link to an external website, maybe you're doing a lot of coursework kind of on another page, you can add a URL link by clicking this third button right here, and then selecting URL, which is another word for web page or web address. And then you type or paste the link of the web page you want them to go to. For title, that's going to be the link that they click. And then I would recommend clicking New Window, and then you'd hit Insert. And that would add that to an external website as well. Whenever you've made your changes on that document, you hit Update. And again, go back to Course Home to see this link.